How to activate ChatGPT on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate ChatGPT on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First up, you will need to open up your settings. So open up your settings and scroll down until you find Apple Intelligence and Siri. Tap on it, and after you tap on that, you should find an option under extension called ChatGPT. Tap on ChatGPT. After you tap on ChatGPT, you can use the setup option on the top to use ChatGPT. So tap on setup, and after you tap on setup, you should be on this page right here where you can now start setting up your ChatGPT. What this does is it integrates ChatGPT on your Siri, it composes your text and writing tools, and many other ChatGPT features. So just do that, and after you've done that, what you'll need to do is tap on next, and again, there you'll see enable ChatGPT option. If you want to use ChatGPT with an account, tap on that as well. So after you've done that, you can then sign in into an account. You can use a ChatGPT account to sign in. Tap on the sign in button to sign in. If you see an option that says ChatGPT update, that means that there is an update available. So you can tap on the update button and update your ChatGPT. And that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching, guys. That is how you enable or activate ChatGPT on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.